Sunday morning. Made a little quick video of what's been going on at the shop. I work so much to where I only come out on the shop basically on the weekends, or late at night to do something. But I poured all this concrete in the driveway last summer for the front. This is a metal building, kind of like a Versatube, but it's made by Eagle. And I'll show you, some of you have seen the videos before. I've stuccoed it and wainscoted in brick to match my house. But I expanded the concrete about 3 weeks ago and went about 16 feet out. This building is 30 by 40, so 30 feet deep by 40 feet long. Whenever you build a shop, it's never build it big enough. Anyway, so we went down here, and on the back I had a carport built at the time, like a shed lean-to. I'm going to end up enclosing this for more space, and I store my stuff. It was open, but the winds come in from the west. Storms come in and it hits here. So this is what the building originally looked like when it was built, the metal siding. So I had it stuccoed and wainscoted, like I told you. The concrete I had poured underneath here. I had gravel here and here, and I thought that would be good enough, to park trailers and equipment on. But honestly, concrete is king. My tractor's back there, my mower, and that's my this is what heats and cools the shop. I really enjoy it. It also takes out any, sorry for any wind noise, takes out any humidity. All right, what that is a mini split. That one there is a big one. I think it cost me, I found a guy on Facebook Marketplace that did it. It was about $3 grand. I could have got one a little cheaper, but that's basically a 2-ton unit. And now what's left for me in the shop to do back here is I want to put a fence up here. It'll be an L after I enclose that too, but because there's a road over here, people could drive by and see my equipment. Out of sight, out of mind, So, but I've got to make it nice to match my house. It's nice. God, I got dirt piles. I still have to grade all this. My wife's on me about it. But I'll be using metal 2x2 posts, the same basically as the building's built out of. And they'll be bolted down. And I've been trying to figure out how to do a horizontal fence. I've taken the time, done some research, and found some nice ways. They sell some kind of fence tracking system that a channel goes here, and then the wood boards goes across. It's very expensive. But since I've been able to build stuff in here, I had some left over, and it came to me last night. Now, I'll buy new, but this is called J-channel. Okay, it's made for when you're doing the metal siding on buildings. And I'll show you here. I'll mount it like so. And I'm gonna use metal siding like you use on the buildings to come across and cap it real nice. Because my supplier makes one, they make all different kind of colors. I'm not gonna use this drab color here, but I am going to lay it horizontal. They make one that looks like copper. And they make, on the inside of my shop, I have what's called Galvalume. It looks like it's galvanized metal, but this one is copper. So I'm going to buy the J-channel in black to match the post and come on the back side of it with the copper and paint. Now, on the back side of siding, of that metal siding, it is typically white. But I'll spray it probably black so people really won't know what it is. When you're looking at it, it'll look better aesthetically. Anyway, that's what's going on in the shop. I made sure to put a drain in here, and my contractor, even after it's rained a lot, I've tested it. It all goes into this drain. It goes into these drains in front of the doors, and it does a pop up on the other side of the shop, which drains naturally across the field there. No cows today. But anyway, that's all today. No stump grinding, this chop, no mechanics. I had a lot of family stuff we had to do yesterday. And there's old Big Booty Judy there. She'll be going in the shop. The 252, I'm going to wash it, get it Project 252, work on the trailer a little bit, and get her sent off. I got to power wash it and stuff. I lent it out to a buddy when I came back. We've got new tail lights put on it. At least, yeah, we did do something this week. Anyway, thanks for watching the YouTube shorts I put up there. I really appreciate it, guys. And you know, my son really loves it. He gets to, he gets to see himself there and get proud. He's really taking on to the business big time. Anyway, love you guys. See you on the next one.